Today I will be showing you how to switch out filaments during a print. So I got a little dragon model that I'm going to print, and I'm going to be switching out 7 different filaments. So I got these guys right here, and these ones, and the wood filament that I got. So I have gold colored PLA, black ABS. This is a sample of orange stuff that I put on top of a roll of black. So I'm orange PLA, white ABS, blue flexible, and glow-in-the-dark PLA. So what I do, so I'm going to be doing different sections of each of those throughout the whole print, and I'm going to be changing the nozzle to the different temperatures. So I have 7 filaments, and so to figure out a percentage at each moment that I need to pause it and pull out the filament and feed the next one in, I need to divide 100 by 7. And so that ends up being around 14.28. So every 14%, which I have a little percent bar that fills up throughout the print, so I'm going to be checking on that, and each time it gets 14, then to 28, and then to 42. I don't know. It keeps going. I'll be checking on that in switching out the filament. I'll show you guys how I do that. So I'm going to start off with my PLA wood filament, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so it's at 14% right now, and all I have to do is just hit pause. So I paused it, and I guess I'll go from the top of the stack down. So I'll go to my glow-in-the-dark Slatek PLA. So once it's paused, I just pull the filament right out. It's really simple because the nozzle is heated up. And I'll just get that out of the way. And then, because this is a different temperature, because it doesn't work that well, I like to have it at 230 degrees for this PLA Celsius. So with this, just go to that and then change the temperature, and then feed it right back in. Okay, once it's coming out the end, I just want to cut a little bit of the edge off. That way it's not messing it up, the print. And once it's in there, once it's heated up to temperature, just hit unpause. And it starts printing with the next filament. So I won't show you how to do that each time I need to do it. I'll just show you that one time and let you know how it works out at the end of the video. Okay, so the 3D print got done, and it is quite ugly, actually. So, I got it off. So, this 3D model has a bunch of supports already in it. You can not see very well because it's so stringy and ugly. So what happened, if you can look also right on the tops of the wings, it somehow did not print on it. It like left open space and made it really messy. So I'm going to take a minute and clean this up and see if I make it look a little bit nicer. Okay, so I got it looking a little bit nicer, but it still has some of the support material on it a little bit. So with this model, it had support material built into it, and it's not the kind that Cura provides. It's like little windy poles that go around it and kind of like encompass it and cover it. But Cura just builds up little towers up straight up to the part that needs the support. And so that was a little bit hard to get off. So my recommendation, if you're going to do this, do it in one type of plastic. Like if you do it PLA on PLA or ABS on ABS, not both, because it ends up like giving your monster a mouth like mine did, and the wings are brittle. So this is not a very good example of how to do it, but it can be done. I've done it with fidget spinners, I've done it with just 2 colors, I've done it with 3 colors. There's a lot of different options that you can do. I really like the very bottom, if you can look at it, there's the glow, it goes the wood, then the glow in the dark. Those were really good. They stuck together really well, and I like that. So, yeah, just use the same material and the same material. I even used blue flexible, which makes it kind of squishy, and this is junk. I'm going to throw this away. But that's how you do it. You just pause it, pull the filament out, change the temperature if you need to, and put it right back in, and it's that simple. So, thanks for watching the video. If you thought this was entertaining, helpful, useful, anything, give it a like. If you want to see more 3D printing videos, subscribe to my channel. Share this with your friends if they like to see ugly little dragons and how they're made. And, of course, leave a comment on what 3D technique that you'd like me to show next, or model you'd like me to print that, see if it works. Thanks for watching. Bye.